Hey guys, welcome back. So today on Sunday Wellness, it's all about how to prepare a brunch for one. We are going to be talking about nurturing ourselves and doing for ourselves what we do for others. So it's all about giving back to self-care, and self-love. So for today's pamper feast, we are going to be starting with French toast. If you never made French toast before, we are going to do it. So you just need 1 cup of milk. You are going to need 2 eggs, and then we are going to add some cinnamon, and then we're going to mix that all together, and that's pretty much it. That's pretty much how you make French toast. It is the easiest and fastest thing to make. And the great thing about French toast is you can eat it all day or night. It is the perfect little ingredient to add for a brunch for one. So after everything is nice and mixed up, the ingredients are all blended well together, you're just going to take any type of bread that you like, any bread of your preference, and just dip it into the mixture. Then we're going to get a pan all buttered up, and then we are going to add our bread in there and just allow it to just fry up a little until both sides are evenly browned. What I love about French toast, besides it being so yummy, is that it's so quick to make. It might take 5 to 10 minutes. And I'm adding some bacon, so I'm frying up some bacon. And then the next thing I'm gonna make is some egg white breakfast cups, which requires a handful of spinach. And you're just gonna chop up some tomatoes, about, less than half of a tomato. Cut it up and then just add it right into your cup. And then from there, you are just going to add some egg whites directly on top. That's all that this consists of. What you want to do with the cup is to coat it with some, Pam spray so it doesn't stick. And then you throw it into the oven, 350, degrees for 15 minutes, and you're good to go. And what I love with my French toast is some nice berries. So I have some strawberries and some blueberries, and I'm adding it to a pot, and I'm adding some syrup on top of it, and we're gonna warm everything up, and it's gonna come out so nice and warm. It tastes so good on top of your French toast. It feels like you went out to eat in a restaurant, and that is the goal. The same 5-star treatment you would get when you go out to eat is what you are going to give yourself at home. So the egg cup is all done. It came out nice and looking delicious. So I'm adding a cup of coffee. I'm not a big coffee drinker, but I know most are, and today I need it. So I'm going to be adding it on to my brunch, and I'm going to be taking everything upstairs to my bedroom, where I'm going to be enjoying a nice, relaxing meal, just laid out in peace in my bed. I love having a brunch in my bed. So if you haven't done it for yourself, guys, if it's been a long time or you have never enjoyed a brunch, just chilling at home and just disconnecting from the world, you have to do it. Just dim the lights, make it nice and calming and nice, and retreat back in your bedroom. I know a lot of people have young kids, partners, spouses, they might live with other family members, but you have to learn how to just take time for yourself. Take a few hours during a day. Sundays are a great time to just sit back and have a brunch and just get together all the things that you love to eat and prepare, and just have that time for yourself. It's so important. You need to be able to give to yourself the way you give to others, and that's something a lot of people do not do. 2019 has been a very, very rough year for a lot of people. A lot of people have separated from partnerships. A lot of people have been suffering from depression and anxiety and having financial difficulties and having emotional, roller coasters, ups and downs, and struggling with job security, and it goes on and on and on and on. So if you're one of those people who have been struggling in 2019, take some time to retreat, sit back, go within yourself, no matter what your problems are, no matter what you've been going through, and take time to just enjoy yourself. Enjoy a nice meal, enjoy time with self, and learn how to get back into center. Learn how to invest in yourself and learn how to give back to you. Learn how to self-care. Self-care is so important in everyone's journey. You have to be able to know when your battery is drained. When the seasons change, it's a great time to spend more time indoors because it's getting a little colder. So it's a great excuse to start creating, brunches on Sundays, on Saturdays, whenever time you have, to create this nice self-care regimen and routine for yourself. If you're that person who constantly caters and nurtures and cares for others, like if you have a spouse, a partner, you have kids, grandkids, whoever that you are looking after and caring for, you have to know if you are not good, they are not going to be good. You have to be able to put on that oxygen mask for yourself first before you can do it for anyone else. So that's how you have to think about self-care and doing things for oneself. There's a lot of people who don't have partners and they are single and they feel, oh, I'm single, so I don't have anyone to do this for me. Well, learn how to do it for yourself. Learn how to give yourself that self-love. Learn how to invest in yourself. Learn how to pamper yourself. Self-care is all about pampering yourself and investing in yourself and doing for yourself. So as I said, if you're one of those people who've been struggling in 2019 and things have been uneasy and you feel like you've had enough and you can't wait for the year to be over, well, we have a few months in the year. So get to work on nurturing yourself, pampering yourself, caring for yourself, doing the things that you love to do. Get back into your grounded routines. And this is a great one to practice. Some people have never had breakfast in bed or had a day where they're just completely invested in creating a brunch for themselves and just disconnecting. And it's like, what? No, you have to be able to do it for yourself. So if you've never done it for yourself, take this as inspiration to do it for yourself. It's the easiest thing in the world. It doesn't take long to do or prepare, and it's great to just relax and just feel that love that you give to yourself. So thank you guys for spending the last couple of minutes with me today. And I hope if you have anything going on in your life, it calms down soon. But always remember, everything starts with self. So if you're looking for more peace and more groundedness, you have to learn how to do that for yourself. Learn how to practice self-care rituals. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.